Many years ago, there was a time when photographs were still a horizontal phenomenon, as camera technology had to slowly evolve for decades before finally gaining the ability to stand upright. While parents around the world struggled to develop the perfect stance to master the artistic form, in modern times, however, Gen Z has become much more subtle and relaxed in their photographic style, realizing it's not how you take the photograph that counts, it's the caption you put on it before you send it to our inbox. Because all human beings on Earth have a cell phone camera except my dad, there doesn't seem to be a whole lot of reason to get an actual DSLR, but it can be well worth the effort. For example, a lot of girls look at their Instagram and think to themselves, I wish I had professional photos, but I don't want to spend $1,000 on a camera. And a lot of guys look at her Instagram and say, bro, she's looking for a photographer. All I need is $1,000 and I could, be with her. Now, in basic economics, this push and pull is called simping, and is the foundation of not just the modern gig economy, but pretty much all of human evolution. The biggest decision you can make is the jump from a phone camera to a DSLR or film SLR camera. This is because of two major factors.